to the blood and to the testimony, to the innocent and to the guilty. How did we come to this evil? As chaos rules, the heart and darkness fills our mind with unthinkable evil, to rape, to kidnap, and even the human trafficking of our own children for prostitution and slave labor. Our children have dreams and aspirations and hope to become great in the future. They are full of grace and potential. Their tomorrow is right in the palm of their hand because we believe in a better future. Then the monster came to the house. He came in an expensive jacket, with sweet words and promises. He promised her fancy dresses, promises of fame and fortune, fancy cars and aeroplanes, if only she would come with him to the city. And she did. The city of lies, alight with colours of deception. He took her to where dreams turned to nightmares. And told her, for every man who defiles her, she would earn commission towards that promised lifestyle. They touched her body. They touched her soul and stripped her bare of her innocence. There was no fame. There was no fortune. Only despair and loneliness. Every face has stories to tell. Some tell theirs through drugs, others through crime. This is Katie's story. This is Katie's cry. Here she is, with open heart and mind, young, innocent, and full of life. With a loving family and friends who bring her comfort and security. She was with her mother for a picnic. They love and share what they have. Fun and happiness surrounds them. But the happiness was cut short because the monster came. The monster came out from the thicket. He enticed her and asked her to come to him. He lured her into his world. She left her sweet family and walked innocently into his deception. He grabbed her and dragged her into the world that would tear her away from the love and the protection of her family. Here I am, empty and bare, innocent but vulnerable. A society designed to care and protect the vulnerable, now turned against its own children and feeds on its blood and flesh.
Just given you a beating. Do you want another one? Do you want to get another hiding? If you leave this house again, if you disrespect him, you disrespect me, you're going to get an even bigger hiding. You think you got problems now, Sonny? Wait until we are finished with you. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Yes. Good. I'm glad.
This is Glenn. He has never known his father, but his mother says it doesn't matter. For as long as she can have her way with him, she beats him all the time, swears at him continuously, telling him that he cannot make it. He won't make it in life. She tells him there is nothing special about him. She doesn't really care whether he lives or dies. In fact, his dying is more valuable to her. He became depressed and sees nothing good in himself. Every day she stripped him naked with negative words. He was left with sorrow and the need for acceptance. He had friends in a similar situation, friends who believe in him. They agree to run away, for that is the only way to make it. They ran away to find hope in a junkie lifestyle. They abused drugs because they thought they would find love, hope, and acceptance. But there was no hope, there was no love, there was no acceptance, only misery. Missing children, torn away from their loved ones, struggling to find a way home, filled with loneliness, a sense of hopelessness, and excruciating fear. Silent cries of help from the depths of despair. What is to become of them? Rape, drugs, abuse, kidnapping, human trafficking. This evil has to stop. We are humans with a conscience. Let's protect our children. Together we can. Enough is enough.